How many of y'all have less than $100 to spend this Father's Day? Now, how many of y'all have $100 and you think that you might need more just to get a good gift? I'm here to tell you, all you need is $100 and less this Father's Day to really wow him. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 gift categories to get the father or father figure in your life. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Gift Guru. I am Gigi, the Gift Guru. If you are new here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Now, who's prepared for this Father's Day? I know it's a couple of months away, but who's actually prepared? I know I'm a little bit broke right now, but I also know that it is okay because I can spend less than $100 and still get a good gift this Father's Day. So we're about to sit back, relax, and we're about to get on to this. All the gifts mentioned in this video and activities are going to be in the description box below. Let's go. Now, let's start off with something that every dad and human needs, which is clothing. Sure, he may have 100 different ties, but I doubt that he has a personalized tie with his favorite pictures of you all over it. And if that man in your life is the type of dad that likes to be the do-it-all type of dad, this is the perfect shirt for him. This may even be his first Father's Day, and congratulations! This baby bib is not only going to be his favorite thing of the baby's clothing, but may even make him cry. Now, if your father is a homebody, these next 2 categories are definitely going to be for him. Let's start off with personalized blankets. Whether he has that one favorite photo or can't decide on which photo that he loves the most. With these blankets, he's going to want to show off way past Father's Day to everyone that steps in his house. And believe me, there's a blanket for that fisherman too. He may not be into decorating his home, but he's going to love coming home every day, even more when these things are waiting to greet him. Give him his own special plaque to look at every day or frame to show how much you appreciate him. Or you could just greet him with your warm smile every time he wants to sit and relax in his comfy chair or on the couch. Now, if you want something a little more unique, a little more of a wow factor to it, you have come to the right place. Like I said, all of these gifts are personalized and they are under $100. But hold up. If you made it this far, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if a gift less than $100 is too much for you, because I have plenty of other gifts that are even less. So comment down below, just right or too much. Now, if you're more into expressing yourself in words than in pictures, this letter to your dad is the perfect keepsake for him. Or if you just need something from the heart, this canvas speaks for itself. Now, there is one more person that we cannot leave out, and that is Grandpa. Most of the time, Grandpa is the one that spoils the children from the time that they are born all the way until adulthood, and maybe even beyond. He's going to have so many reasons why he loves being a grandpa, and this is the perfect way you could tell him that you know of a couple of reasons and show him that he is the greatest treasure too. Now, most of the time, Dad is the one to introduce you to all the thrills and adventures that life has to offer. Now, these next activities may surprise you and may even surprise him. Why not build a time capsule? Especially if the children are young, have Dad and the child build a time capsule that they can dig up in like 10-15 years from now. Or what you can do is go axe throwing. And I don't mean killing nobody. We don't do that here. There are actually axe throwing places where you throw the axe at a target. I've done it. It is so much fun. Now, if you do want to stay inside, what you can do is pull out some old board games. I mean Connect 4, I mean Uno, I mean the Game of Life, all the old board games, Clue. Pull them out and just have some fun. The point is just to enjoy the time that you have with your loved ones. Remember, giving a gift is more than just opening up your wallet. It is opening up your heart. Be safe out there. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there and grandfathers out there. Gigi out. The more you know, the less you spend. And these are the latest gifts to get any guy, not only the father in your life. This video is coming up next.